So when you're IRL streaming with a GoPro and you have it mounted on your shoulder, on your chest, or your head, sometimes you want to have it in front of you on a selfie stick or on a tripod. Not only that, but you want to have full control over the pivoting and just the angles that you're shooting at. Well, let me show you the solution that I'm using, and that might just be perfect for you too. You're gonna need 3 parts. The first one is basically any kind of tripod or a selfie stick that you can extend depending on what you need, that has either a 3/8 or a 1/4 inch on top. Usually 1/4 inch is better, so we're using a small one. The next one being a tiny metal ball head. Now you really want metal, and you want this to have a little bit of rubber or any kind of material like that on top, but you want it to be metal. Yes, you get a little bit more weight, but it's negligible because we're really using a tiny one. So you want a ball head because you want to be able to turn it every which way you want, depending on what kind of setup you're going for. So yeah, a ball head. And the third part is a GoPro mounting bracket that can go on top of a ball head or directly on the tripod if you want to. But I wouldn't recommend that. I would say the ball head has a pretty good purpose and that you should use it with the ball head. So we can just assemble it like that. And there we go. As fast as that, and it's very sturdy, and you have full control over where this is going to go. Sometimes you want the GoPro mounted upside down, so you can do that too, like that. Of course, if you're using a J bracket on the GoPro, that is the go-to for IRL streaming. There we go. You can do whatever the hell you want with it. Using it as a selfie stick, of course, is an option, which a lot of people will appreciate. You can just hold it like that. Of course, you can get a bigger model. You can use any mini tripod or selfie stick that you want that fits your needs. This is perfect for me because it's tiny, it's lightweight, and it can hold the GoPro upside down, so it's good enough for me, but you can use anything you want. So let's say you don't want to use the GoPro bracket, you have something else mounted on your GoPro. For example, this Arca-Swiss, which is the most popular camera mounting option, the whole ecosystem around it, you could just mount this on it. I'm gonna have all the links in the description, guys, so check it out if you want to get this. Hopefully it's available in the region. If it's not, you can get something similar, but please don't get anything plastic. All right, no plastic parts. It's just gonna get destroyed and you're gonna lose your equipment, so be careful about that. So let's say you have a GoPro that is mounted on an Arca-Swiss plate that has the GoPro fork on it. You could just put it onto this. Simple as that. This system is great if all of your stuff is Arca-Swiss and you're using it on a lot of different tripods, mostly as something static, but if you need to use a J bracket and then go on a GoPro mount to fit on your helmet or on your chest with a chesty mount, then this is not going to work for you. So check out the first option. I recommend the first option. If you cannot do that, and if the second one works better for you, then go for it. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. You can get this stuff in the links below, and I'll see you in the next one.